Hey everyone, let's see a few quick Canva tips that you can use for if you are in college or if you are working for a brand. So let's see a few tips. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to social media and we can see it here. Or let's do one thing. We can look for presentation kind of thing. So yeah, here you go. So presentation is right here. So if you need to present something in your college or if you need to share some pitch deck with your client or something, so what you need to do, just go to the presentation section of this Canva and you can write it here, like if I'm writing pitch deck, that is you are pitching your brand to maybe your clients or like somebody, your collaborator, partner, or if you are looking for funding, so you can also do the same. So from there you can pick up a good slides template, and then you can start editing. So a lot of like templates are there on which you can work, and not just on these raw templates you can work, but also you can put your creativity in it. So no, if you are not liking this color, so we can change it, right? So you can change it accordingly, whatever your brand palette is, so you can just change it and do it for all pages, so that all pages will be in the same page, right? So yeah, if you are sharing your company's pitch, so from there you can business strategy created by, like, you maybe you can remove this, and also you can put your company's logo in each slide, and table of content, whatever your table of content for the website or for your brand is, so you can like edit all these things and you can do it. If you want to change this element and do, if you are running an agent marketing agency and you want to change this element, you can delete it, and then you can go to their elements, and then you can write something like marketing animated. From that you can go to graphics, and then you can see a lot of things. Like for idea you can use bulb, for marketing you can use this like speaker kind of thing. So yeah, there are a lot of things that you can do. And even if you, let's remove animated, let's see. Okay, so from there you can use target. If you are looking for target audience, so you can use this like this element. Okay, and then once you'll click on it, they'll suggest you some magic recommendations, where they will be putting some colors and also some designs different formats. So whatever you are liking, you can just select it. And so there are a lot of things that you can do with elements too. So now let's talk about one more thing. Yeah, if I talk about magic designs, so what you need to do is, here you can write something, like if I say presentation topic, okay, I am running a marketing agency, scale up marketing solutions, can you help me with a good pitch deck with all, okay, so word limit is there. Okay, so let's remove this. We need to play very smart. If words are limited, so we need to write something that will cover our problem, or that will help us to create the content for free without any efforts or time, like without losing any efforts or time, and also we can get the relevant result that we are looking for. So I'm writing here with a can you help me with a pitch deck that will cover all possible online marketing services. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, let's see. So now they are creating it, and let's see how it goes. So you can choose a palette. If your brand or logo is in blue, white, then you can like choose accordingly. Okay, let's see this 10 pages, right? You can see this, like they have created it very nicely. And it's not like you need to choose, or you need to use this raw template, but also you can put your, like they are providing your template a lot of content too. So you, if you are editing it a bit, you can put in your elements, your ideas, with your team's idea, then you can come up with a great like ppt or pitch deck, whatever it is. So let's talk about one more thing that I wanted to share. Okay, just wait. Okay, let's take a blank page. Yeah, so have you seen one thing where words are like say overlapping with each other and it looks too good? Like when you see any template or any creative, so words are overlapping and it will be like coming out something like this. So it's like a kind of attractive portion for any post. So let's see how we can do this. There are two methods. First, you are doing it manually. Second, you are using Canva's provisions or features. Firstly, let's use Canva's feature. Go to plus, go to text, and then you can see in downside you can see all these things. Just select one. If I am selecting hustle, so yeah, hustle is there. No, remove this. Okay, hustle is there. I am creating one duplicate of it. Right now you can see this. Not just this, but also you can change the color. So the combo is very poor, I'm so sorry. So what you can do is you can just try with different colors, and yeah, you can move forward with it. So that's a great way if you want to highlight any brand's name, your any word, maybe join now or something like this. So you can do this, and then you can put it like this. You need to just put it like fix it inside it, so that it will just show up the color that you are like using out in the upper layer of it. But also you need to make it a bit tilt or something like this, so that like just the way it was in the very beginning. So yeah, you can like experiment with it, so that your text is clearly visible and understandable, but also it looks something outstanding. Like it will look good when you will be putting it in your creator. Also, yeah, if I talk about second way, this is the first way, right? For second way, just go to plus text, add a box, and if I'm writing hustle, okay, then I am just duplicating it, and then just go to effects, go there you can choose different formats of it. Here you can change, not just choose, but you can choose whatever design it is, but you can also change the color, right? So yeah, just wanted to talk about these 2 to 3 features that are truly good, and we at Scale Up Marketing Solutions are using it in like very frequently. So you just try it, it's good. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more such video tips related to different kind of thing, like digital marketing, writing, graphic designing, Canva tips, and then like LinkedIn, social media marketing like Instagram, how to kill Instagram, how to do great on Instagram. And also you can also get some tips for born on Instagram, how to grow your channel, and also a lot of things are there. So yeah, stay tuned, and bye bye, take care.